Love wood projects that are fast, functional, and look amazing on your wall? Let's build a simple yet stylish circle wall shelf using just two wooden rounds and a few tools. Start with two wooden circles. One stays whole and the other gets cut perfectly in half. Cut one of the rounds straight down the middle to create your shelf piece. Place the half piece across the middle of the full circle. Mark both sides where it touches. Now make two evenly spaced marks along the straight edge of the half piece. Copy those same positions onto the full circle between your two side marks. Drill a hole at each mark. Keep your drill steady to avoid splintering. Attach a wall hanger above the shelf line. This will keep everything level when you hang it. Screw partially into the full circle from the back. Ask a friend to hold the half piece in place while you drive the screws the rest of the way through. Hang your new shelf on the wall, add a candle or a plant, and admire your quick, charming DIY. That's it! An easy circle wall shelf made from wood that adds warmth and simplicity to any space.